Hello, welcome to the Philippines. We made it. This is Tagaytay City, where we're having the first annual Amen Philippines conference. There's a lot of energy. I got my Philippine barong on. They were expecting 100 registrants. They got 200 physicians, dentists, and allied health professionals, as well as pastors and conference workers. We're excited to see what the Lord's going to do this weekend. There's many meetings, breakout seminars, plenary sessions with a lot of information, and everyone is eager to hear what they can do to be a part of this great work here in the Philippines. Let's go in and take a look.
Amen Philippines.
I learned a lot, actually. It seems like my brain is so full, but I think one thing that really struck me is the need of medical missionary doctor. We are in the end times, and the health ministry is really needed.
We said, this is interesting, this is different. We have been praying before, as a nurse, me as a physician. It seems like there's something lacking with our practice. We need something that will push us farther from being just a regular physician and a regular nurse. We should have something to offer people, our patients. That's why we became interested with Amen, because it shows us the ministry, the other side of it that we have not been doing before.
And this event made me feel like it's like heaven, actually. It's like you can meet new friends. You don't expect people to come here, that they're here, and like I think this will be like in heaven, that we be praising God. We will be talking about our testimonies and our experiences here on earth. So it's really a blessing.
The first annual conference for Philippines Amen is now over, and God has blessed so much. I'm so excited to see what's happening here. And the ripple effect isn't just Philippines, it's going all the way around the world. I can tell you, after spending a weekend here, that my brothers and sisters in the Philippines are on fire for God, and who knows where God will go next.